For project 12-4, let's make another chart in a different way and add a few other things to it. So make sure you are in the 12-4 teacher solution worksheet. And we've got our data here. These are evaluations for teachers. We've got 3 teachers, T1, 2, and 3. And there are six categories of things that they are being evaluated on. And they've got a score from 0 to 100, depending on how efficient or how good they are at that category. So we're going to take all that information, A2 through D8, and we're going to insert, and let's do a radar chart, which is under this little web icon. And right here under radar, that first one, this is a radar chart, just so we can see the information in a different way. It's kind of an interesting one. So let's first change that to a different sheet or move it to a different sheet. So whether you want to right click on it or click up here, move chart, let's call the sheet evaluations. Click OK, and it creates a new sheet for it. And let's change the look of it a little bit, the style up here in chart styles, so that we can see it a little bit better. That kind of makes this colors stand out a little bit more. And now we can see this is an interesting one because we've got the score kind of in the middle and the categories around the outside. So kind of quickly we can see how well teachers do at different categories. So like in blue, this teacher is pretty much good at everything except not very stimulating. Orange is very stimulating and not so good at some of the others. And this other one is not good at anything except knowledgeable. So they got a degree in something and then decided to teach and aren't very good at it, I guess. So we can see that pretty easily. So it's kind of an interesting chart. So let's make it a little more readable. Let's take this legend, click on it once, and then click on the outer edge, and let's drag it down to the right, bottom right corner, because there's some room down there. Let's change the chart title, select all the text, and let's change it to teacher evaluations. And then in the bottom left-hand corner, let's insert another text box. So in the Insert tab, text box. And let's type fall semester evals. Let's abbreviate it. Evaluations. And it's black, and so we can't see it too well, so let's select all that text. And then change it to a gray color that's similar to the other text. And let's make it italics. Italicized. So there it is down there in the corner. Just an extra bit of information about the data. Okay, that's it for this one. Make sure it's saved. Go on to the next.